Welcome to Revved Up Repairs, where today I'm going to show you how to remove one of these locking wheel nuts for the alloy wheels. If you have one of these and you have lost the key, I'm going to show you how you can remove one of these from home with a couple of simple tools. So if you're stuck, you need it for, say, you have a puncher, you've lost the key. I don't recommend this for stealing any wheels or anything like that. This is literally, if you are stuck at home, you want to get one of these removed, I'm going to show you how. And it's going to be very simple. All we're going to need is a spline nut. Now you need one that's going to fit just over the socket. These are 17 mils, so a 19 spline is going to fit lovely over this, and we're going to hammer it on, as you can see here. Now the grooves just fit on nicely. They just make sure that it fits around the lug nut. It's going to be really tight. It won't really fit. You need it to be really snug if you're going to remove this. Then what we're going to have to do is hammer this on as hard as we can. Okay, so it might not work first time. As you can see here, we had to bring it back off again. We've had to hammer it back on real tight again. This one was actually quite difficult to get off, but I actually removed the other side first, and my spline socket was a little bit warm from this, so you are going to damage your socket. But a good whack in again, and we should get the job done. Okay, so she's unscrewing now, nice and easy, as you can see. Now it's going to be very hard to get this off the socket. You're going to have to use a vise to try and pull this out. It's very difficult. Like I said, you will damage your socket. It is the expense of having to emergency remove one of these. But if you need to remove one of these, this is exactly how you do it. If you want to see some more car tips and videos in the future, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you all very soon.